We got In-N-Out and we're gonna be trying Hasina Zimi's order. So far so good. I like that extra toasted bun for sure. I'm also not completely sure what they do when they mustard fry it, but so far everything's tasting good. I also thought having the raw and grilled onions in there was gonna be a little much, but it's working. Send me some more orders and the one with the most likes, I'll try. These actually don't look half bad today. Will they taste half good? Wow. Thing just fell off, last bite.